subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching iQoo Z1 smartphone, the company is now reportedly gearing up to launch another smartphone under the same lineup as iQoo Z1x. And before the launch, the upcoming phone renders and key specifications were revealed online. According to leaks, the iQoo Z1x will support a 6.57-inch display with Full HD Plus resolution, and it is set to support 120Hz screen refresh rate. Under the hood, the phone is confirmed to come powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G chipset with dual-mode 5G connectivity support. The smartphone will pack with 6 or 8GB of RAM and 64, 128 or 256GB of internal storage. In terms of camera, the iQoo Z1x will feature a triple camera setup on the rear in a squarish module including LED flash at the top left corner. The AAA cameras will include one 48MP main camera along with the 8MP secondary and 2MP third camera. At the front, it will house 16MP selfie camera under the hole punch at the top right corner. As per the software, the handset will run on Android 10 with iQoo UI skin on top, and it is confirmed to pack 5000 mAh battery with 33W fast charging support. The physical dimensions of the smartphone will measure at 164.2 by 76.5 by 9.06 mm and it will weigh around 199.5 grams. Additionally, the iQoo Z1 also spotted to feature a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. Now, talking about the pricing and release date. The iQoo Z1x is expected to price in China for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 2,198 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage option will be priced at 2,498 Chinese yuan, and the smartphone is confirmed to launch in the country on July 9th. So as of now, that's all we know about the iQoo Z1x smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.